We know that childcare is on the political agenda, and that's because it works. Investment in early years works for children across the country, offers them the best possible start in terms of their early education and development. And it also works for parents in terms of the huge financial pressures that we're hearing, as your last bulletin showed, the parents are under at the moment. And then what our report has found that's new is it also makes economic sense across the country. We're talking about a really significant uplift to parents' pay across the country, which is returned to the exchequer in additional tax revenue. So that's £13 billion of additional wages that will be circulating around the economy, and £8 billion of returns to the public first for that investment. So we're making the case for a childcare guarantee that would see children through from their earliest months and years through to the end of primary school.
Just be clear then, how much exactly would this cost the government to make sure that there was the provision that you think is necessary?
So we're talking about preschool provision, and then we're talking about between £6 and £10 billion worth of investment to expand an offer that would eventually guarantee 30 free hours of care from children aged from the end of paid parental leave until the start of primary school. And we're also arguing for an additional affordable hours scheme that would help parents with those very expensive holiday costs and those kind of outside hours costs that parents perhaps working shift work patterns or with other unusual employment patterns would need to access. And then what our report shows is how much return that we expect to see on this investment. So really significant boost to parental earnings, as I've mentioned, really significant boosts across the economy, and also job creation as we're expanding our early years workforce, those really vital workers that work with children day in, day out across the country.